Customs as a source of law refer to long-established practices and patterns of behavior that have gained legal recognition and authority over time. These customs become binding rules that govern behavior and can influence legal decisions, often filling gaps where written laws, statutes do not exist. Customary law is a body of rules derived from established customs and practices that are accepted as binding by a particular community or society. These customs become part of the legal framework and can be enforced by courts and other legal institutions. Characteristics of customary law antiquity. Customs must be long-standing and have existed for a considerable period. Consistency. Customs should be consistently and uniformly practiced. Certainty and clarity. Customs must be specific, clear, and well known to the community. Reasonableness. Customs should be reasonable and just, aligning with the broader principles of fairness and justice. Acceptance. Customs must be widely accepted by the community as binding and obligatory. Continuity. Customs must be practiced continuously over time, without interruption. Types of customs. General customs applies to entire nation. General customs are practices recognized and followed by the entire country. National scope. These customs have a broad, national application. Example: the common law system in England, which developed from general customs. Local customs specific to regions or communities. Local customs are practices recognized and followed within a specific geographic region or by a particular community. Limited scope. These customs are binding only in the region or community where they are practiced. Example: customs followed by a specific tribe or village. Professional customs applies to specific professions or trades. Professional customs are practices recognized and followed within a particular profession or trade. Industry-specific. These customs govern the behavior and conduct of professionals within that industry. Example: professional standards and behaviors in the medical or legal profession. Significance of customary law filling legal gaps. Supplementing statutes. Customary law fills gaps where written statutes or formal laws are silent or ambiguous. Continuity and stability. Provides continuity and stability in the legal system, maintaining social order through established practices. Reflecting social values. Cultural representation. Customary law reflects the cultural, social, and moral values of a community, ensuring that the legal system is in harmony with societal norms and expectations. Preservation of traditions helps preserve traditional practices and heritage. Flexibility and adaptability. Responsive to change, customary law can evolve and adapt to changing social conditions and practices. Pragmatic approach allows for a pragmatic approach to resolving disputes, considering the community's specific context and realities. Customary law in modern legal systems. Common law systems. Foundation of common law. In common law systems, such as those in England and the United States, customary law forms the foundation of common law. Judicial decisions often rely on established customs and precedents. Judicial application. Judges may look to established customs when making decisions or interpreting laws. Civil law systems. Complementing codes. In civil law systems, customary law complements codified laws. Where statutory provisions are absent or ambiguous, courts may refer to established customs. Limited role. Customary law typically plays a more limited role in civil law systems compared to common law systems. International law. International customary law. Customary international law consists of international practices and norms recognized as binding by states. These customs play a crucial role in international relations and treaties. Examples: diplomatic immunity, laws of war, and maritime practices. Challenges and criticisms, ambiguity and uncertainty. Lack of written record. Customary laws often lack formal documentation, leading to ambiguity and uncertainty in interpretation and application. Variability. Customs may vary significantly between regions and communities, complicating their application in a unified legal system. Conflict with modern values. Outdated practices. Some customs may be outdated or inconsistent with modern values and human rights principles. Resistance to change. Relying on customary law may hinder legal reforms and modernization efforts.